Your question is, what is the minimum age laid down for a person to seek election to the Lok Sabha? Your options are A 18 years, B 21 years, C 25 years, or D none of these. Right answer is C 25 years. Your question is, what is the minimum age for a member of the parliament? Your options are A 18 years, B 21 years, C 25 years, D 30 years, or E none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C 25 years. Your question is, in order to be chosen a member of the Lok Sabha, a person must not be less than the age of. Your options are A 18 years, B 21 years, C 25 years, D 30 years, or E none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C 25 years. Your question is, which one of the following is not correct with regard to the elections to the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. The elections are on the basis of adult suffrage. B. The election commission is required to conduct the elections. C. The electoral rolls are prepared under the direction and control of the President of India. Or D. On the request of the election commission, the President is required to make available to the election commission such staff as may be necessary for the discharge of its functions. Right answer is C. The electoral rolls are prepared under the direction and control of the President of India. Your question is, a candidate of Lok Sabha poll loses his security amount if he or she does not get. Your options are A. 1/3 of valid votes, B. 1/4 of valid votes, C. 1/5 of valid votes, or D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Your question is, the state-wise allocation of seats in Lok Sabha is based on the 1971 census. Up to which year does this remain intact? Your options are A 2031, B 2026, C 2021, or D 2011. Right answer is B 2026. Your question is, the 84th Amendment Act has frozen the total number of existing seats in the Lok Sabha on the basis of 1971 census. They shall remain unaltered till the first census to be taken after the year. Your options are A 2010, B 2015, C 2021, or D 2026. Right answer is D 2026. Your question is, maximum strength of Lok Sabha as stipulated in the Constitution of India is. Your options are A 547, B 545, C 552, or D none of these. Right answer is D none of these. Your question is, the strength of the Lok Sabha was increased from 525 to 545 through which amendment? Your options are A 31st, B 35th, C 42nd, or D 45th. Right answer is A 31st. Your question is, according to the Article 82 of the Constitution of India, the allocation of seats in Lok Sabha to the states is on the basis of blank census. Your options are A 1961, B 1971, C 1981, or D 1991. Right answer is B 1971. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. In the first Lok Sabha, the single largest party in the opposition was the Swatantra Party. 2. In the Lok Sabha, a leader of the opposition was recognized for the first time in 1969. 3. In the Lok Sabha, if a party does not have a minimum of 75 members, its leader cannot be recognized as the leader of the opposition. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A 1 and 3 only, B 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, or D 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is B 2 only. In the Lok Sabha, a leader of the opposition was recognized for the first time in 1969. Your question is, presently the number of seats of each state in Lok Sabha is allotted on the basis of. Your options are A census of 1951, B census of 1961, C census of 1971, or D census of 1981. Right answer is C census of 1971. Your question is, there is no reservation for SC and ST for Lok Sabha in. Your options are A Arunachal Pradesh, B Jammu and Kashmir, C Meghalaya, or D all of the above. Right answer is A and B, Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Your question is, the state-wise seat allocation in Lok Sabha is based on. Your options are A population, B area, C poverty, or D language. Right answer is A population. Your question is, reservation of seats for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha does not exist in the states of. Your options are A Kerala and Tamil Nadu, B Karnataka and Kerala, C Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, or D all of the above. Right answer is A. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Your question is, which one of the following states has the highest number of reserved seats for the scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Gujarat. Right answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Your question is, how many seats are reserved for scheduled castes in the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 59, B. 69, C. 79, or D. 84. Right answer is D. 84. Your question is, which one of the following states elects the largest number of members representing scheduled tribes to the House of the People? Your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Maharashtra. Right answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Your question is, in which article of the Constitution of India was the provision for reservation of scheduled castes in the Lok Sabha made? Your options are A. Article 330, B. Article 331, C. Article 332, or D. Article 333. Right answer is A. Article 330. Your question is, who holds power to appoint the nominees from Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. Minorities Commission, B. President of India, C. Prime Minister, or D. Vice President. Right answer is B. President of India. Your question is, which of the following constitutional amendments is related to raising the number of members of Lok Sabha to be elected from the states? Your options are A. 6th and 22nd, B. 13th and 38th, C. 7th and 31st, or D. 11th and 42nd. Right answer is C. 7th and 31st. Your question is, before completing its term, the Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Your options are A. By the discretion of President, B. By the discretion of Prime Minister, C. By the discretion of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, or D. By the President on the recommendation of Prime Minister. Right answer is D. By the President on the recommendation of Prime Minister. Your question is, prior to the completion of tenure, the Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Your options are A. By the will of President, B. By Speaker, C. By the President on the recommendation of Council of Ministers, or D. By the President on the recommendation of the Speaker. Right answer is C. By the President on the recommendation of Council of Ministers. Your question is, session of Lok Sabha is called for at least. Your options are A. once in a year, B. 2 times in a year, C. 3 times in a year, or D. 4 times in a year. Right answer is B. 2 times in a year. Your question is, the quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is. Your options are A. 1/5 of the total membership, B. 1/6 of the total membership, C. 1/10 of the total membership, or D. 1/8 of the total membership. Right answer is C. 1/10 of the total membership. Your question is, what is the quorum of Lok Sabha in relation to its strength? Your options are A. 1/3, B. 1/5, C. 1/11, or D. 1/10. Right answer is D. 1/10. Your question is, what is the quorum to constitute a meeting of Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 1/6 of the total members of the House, B. 1/10 of the total members of the House, C. 1/4 of the total members of the House, or D. 1/3 of the total members of the House. Right answer is B. 1/10 of the total members of the House. Your question is, the maximum number of members in Lok Sabha can be. Your options are A. 540, B. 545, C. 550, or D. 555. Right answer is C. 550. Your question is, in the general elections 2009, election for 543 Lok Sabha constituencies was held. Out of these, how many Lok Sabha constituencies are from the states? Your options are A. 525, B. 528, C. 530, or D. 532. Right answer is C. 530. Your question is, what is the current number of members of Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 541, B. 543, C. 444, or D. 545. Right answer is B. 543. Your question is, the Union Territories get representation in. Your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Both houses of Parliament, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both houses of the Parliament. Your question is, what can be the maximum representation from the Union Territories to the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. 15, B. 20, C. 25, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. 20. Your question is, the sitting of House of the People may be terminated by. Your options are A. Adjournment, B. Prorogation, C. Dissolution, or D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Adjournment, prorogation, and dissolution. Your question is, which one of the following is authorized to prorogue the session of the House of the People? Your options are A. Speaker, B. Attorney General, C. Minister of Parliamentary, or D. President. Right answer is D. President.